and
Okay.
doing fast is also good, like for your health. Like if you give rest to your stomach for one day, so it is good yoga, waking up earlier in the morning. That I try
Okay.
to do. Meditation nowadays I follow
Yes,
that too. Meditation
meditation.
is
That is
yeah,
something which is common to every, like especially Indian culture. We are very
everyone.
close to embrace yoga, meditation. Yes, these days,
Uh,
and the world has learned the techniques of yoga and meditation from India. Diversity, but we have got a lot of states, and it's a mixture of so many cultures. Just
hmm.
just boxing all these culture together, and there is one country. So it's like a collage work.
I am just sharing experience. It happened with me. I was just having South Indian food, and literally I thought I am in Kerala.
Hi, good evening,
Is it
Rakesh.
okay now? Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. It's been a long time. How are you?
I have been doing good. Just
Great.
yeah, I just got back to home. Just today I was in first shift, so it is going well.
Okay, so how's the platform and how are things going with you on the platform?
As I take one session per week, so the session is also going well because
Okay,
according to yeah my convenient time, I just choose the session and I just practice. Yeah.
great, very good. So any questions before I directly begin with the session?
No, ma'am, we can continue with this session.
Yes, so we have met for a very long time. I think you have taken 2 or 3 sessions with me. We know each other.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So today your topic is actually tradition and culture. Tradition and culture. Just tell me in your words, what is tradition for you and what is culture for you? I don't want the dictionary meanings and all
Yeah.
that, but for you, for Rakesh, what is tradition? What is culture?
For culture, I got information from the Google, so I think it is the way of and art and way of living of the people. So that is called as a like culture, and
Okay.
the means different forms and like a way of living which are followed by the people. So
Okay.
that's the thing we can say of culture.
Okay. Tradition.
Mm. Tradition means like a trend. I can say. Can I say trend as people follow
Yeah,
and
something
or
that
like
yeah, something that they have been following for a very long time,
yeah.
from generation to
So
generation. Yeah.
I don't
Okay.
know much about it though. Sorry for that.
But you have
But
given
yeah,
a superficial, superficial understanding. So that's fine. That's okay.
okay.
So, and it is almost correct. It's okay. So now the word on my table is
Everything,
everything. Do,
everything. Yes, yes.
do you like everything about your own tradition and culture? Like we all follow tradition and culture. And sometimes people, it becomes too much for people, or people are oriented with it and they become so close to tradition and culture that it can harm others. So I'm just asking a general question. Are you fine with everything of the culture that you follow?
I could not understand the question. Sorry.
It's
Could you
just like,
repeat?
are you happy with your tradition? Are you happy with your culture?
Okay. Yes.
Or is
Yeah, I
there
can say
something
I
that
am
you don't
happy.
like? It's like, are you happy with everything of your culture? Are you happy with everything of your tradition?
Yeah, I can say I am happy with my culture. Yes.
Okay. So
And
give me 2, 3 things that you're happy with generally from
like
both tradition and culture.
uh, like means as it is simple like our culture like we have to have the means food before sunset, so it is
Okay.
helpful, and doing
Okay.
fast is also good like for your health. Like
Okay.
if you give rest to your stomach for one day, so it is good your your power of like digestion. Its digesting capacity improves.
Okay.
So means yeah, like stomach's digesting capacity improves. So that's the thing I can say, and it is related to science. It is a science, and apart from
Okay.
that, like if we means, what to say, pour water. I don't know its English, but pour water to the in front of the sunlight. You know,
Okay.
passes the sunlight passes and it falls on our body. So that is also
Okay.
yeah. Like I don't know its benefits, but it has also great
It's
benefits.
something that you do. It's something that you follow.
Yeah, yeah, I can say.
Okay.
Although I don't follow all the things, but
But
I
you're happy with.
some
Okay.
yeah, I am happy with, and like doing yoga, waking up earlier in the morning. That I try
Okay.
to do because as I nowadays I go in first shift, so I have to wake up at 6 o'clock instead of if
Hmm.
I am in second shift. So I can wake up at 7 or 7:30 a.m.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, means nowadays I am happy and I try to follow all those things.
Okay. That's great. Okay. So I'll just give you one word. Can you read this?
Embrace. Yes.
Embrace. Embrace is you hold close. So these are some of the beliefs that you embrace from your culture and tradition. Just now you mentioned some points, something that you
Mm,
follow. So these are the beliefs. Some of it is also faith that you embrace. That is holding close. Embrace means holding close, that you embrace from your tradition and culture. Okay,
So
so I'm
like
using those like you hold close something which is very dear
mm,
to you. There's another meaning. Embracing is hugging also. This is also
okay, means
embracing.
like is can I say it as a like or like
Like
praising
and strong attachment, very close, holding
praising
close to tradition and culture. Suppose I say I embrace my tradition and culture, it's like I'm very close, I'm very attached, and it's almost like hugging. I'm so attached to it, I hold it very tight to my thoughts. That is embracing.
mm,
Okay,
yeah.
so that's
So
one word.
means could you repeat that question like which thing I have been miss I am embraced with
Yeah. So
the
what are
one
some of the things? Yeah. So to rephrase that question, first I asked you what are some of the things that you like or that you're happy from your tradition and culture. So you gave a few things. You first said I like
mm,
everything, and then I asked you what are some of the
mm,
things. So you gave me a list
I
of
told you.
things. So rephrase the question. I would have asked you what are some of the things that you embrace from your tradition and culture. So I embrace all these things. So all these things are close to me. Though I don't follow them strictly, I embrace it.
Mm.
It's like it's very
Okay.
close to me. Yes.
Hmm. So
Okay.
due to lots of work, so I can also give you one example like meditation. Nowadays, I follow
Yes.
that thing. Meditation
Meditation.
is
That is something which is common to every, like especially Indian culture. We are very close.
everyone.
Embrace yoga, meditation. Yes, these days.
Ah,
And the world has learned the techniques of yoga and meditation from India.
hmm. Yes, yes, yes.
A lot of
Yeah, I
people are
agree.
learning it from India. It's like we are the creators.
Hmm.
We're using it in the right way.
Yes, yes. So as because of lots of work and hectic schedule, so we
Exactly.
get disturbance and like frustrated. Sometimes we get frustration. So that is
Yes.
why
Yes.
if we have regular sleep, if we take regular
Okay.
sleep, so and if we wake up early in the morning and do like meditation and pranayam, so
Yes.
we can have a good means good good day or like good routine, good routine
Yeah.
of the day, good day
Yes.
of the routine. Yeah.
Yes. So, adding to what you said, meditation also helps you to face the obstacles. Suppose the day turns out to be bad, it helps you to be calm, it helps you to take the decisions, and also it helps
Mm.
you not to get tensed. Because you
Yeah.
start
Yes.
the day with yoga, meditation, you are calm. And when you're calm, you're able to make better decisions than getting
better.
perplexed tentatively. Yeah. So that is the
Yeah, and
most
also
important
mm,
advantage.
mm, we
Yes.
can even means we can easily take the decision.
Exactly, exactly. Yes. So even if it's a bad day, this is how meditation helps. And another thing about anything else that you would like to comment on from the Indian tradition and culture, anything generally,
Generally,
some of the
I think
practices, some of our beliefs. Yeah.
I have discussed.
Okay. So it's like what I would like to tell is I feel it's unique compared to any other tradition and culture. So I'm just giving you words unique. There is diversity, but we have got a lot of states, and it's a mixture of so many cultures. Just
Mm,
just boxing all these culture together, and there is one country. So it's like a collage work where
yeah,
lot of states are there, lot of cultures are there, and it's coming together and it makes one big nation. So that itself
yeah.
is a great thing which makes it very unique. That's what I wanted to add. Okay. And I feel it's so colorful, it makes it so vibrant. Vibrant means very
Mm,
energetic, enthusiastic, and it's always moving. Yes. So
mm,
you go to any place in India, there will be some color, there will be noise. I'm not
mm.
talking about the traffic and the literal noise, but it's
Yeah,
always happening. It's always happening.
and also like language in a
Yes,
different.
language. Yes, language. Actually, we have access to a lot of languages, and Sanskrit being the oldest language, which is our asset actually. Sanskrit and all the other languages, we have access to a lot of languages, culture, tradition, festivals. It's not just one festival.
Festivals.
People celebrate. Yeah,
Mm.
that's
And
also
according
there.
to festivals, we have different foods as well.
Yes,
Food.
the cuisine. Yes, yes. And that too, it varies from north to south. It's a big list that we have. You can choose.
Yeah.
Right?
Even some people from South India, as means here I have seen some stalls like as I went to have South Indian food. So I was literally as I once I am just sharing experience. It happened with me. I was just having South Indian food, and literally I thought I am in Kerala because it
Okay.
was like this traditional. Yeah, it was made like it directly came through that this what to say uh,
The taste was same. It was similar.
territory or like territory
Okay.
Pradesh territory
All
means
right.
that state or territory.
Okay. Okay.
Pradesh.
So it's like you're trying to tell me that it's. Did you taste this in Kerala or in your own place?
No, no, here in my home place, there was a
Okay.
one, yeah, a guy
So there was
who
no
was selling.
difference. So have you tasted Kerala food earlier to know the taste?
No, no, I have not been to Kerala yet, but I just, as I know, it is South Indian food. So I
Okay,
just,
but they prepared it so well.
I know,
It was a different
yeah,
taste.
it was prepared, yeah,
Yes,
so well.
yes, yes.
So I
Okay,
have had so many times, but it means I just randomly went there and had
okay,
it. So
okay.
means it was made like as you told me, like so well. So I means I was just literally thinking the guy was from Kerala and he
Oh, yes,
brought
yes.
that food
Okay,
from Kerala.
okay,
So
okay.
that kind of like uh, means things I was just
Taste
thinking.
of Kerala. Taste of Kerala, you got it there. Okay. So it's not necessary that we need to have the chef from a particular place, but people are so good in adapting. They learn
Yes.
the recipes and they learn the
Mm.
style of sauteing, frying, and mixing
Yeah.
things,
Even
and
in
it
Gujarat.
blends with it. Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Even in Gujarat,
Here, yeah.
I had that taste.
Okay, okay. So here also in South India, we try a lot of North Indian dishes, and people love it.
Yeah.
So sometimes we feel, oh, it is made by some of the North Indians. Of course, we have got North Indians here, but still people adapt
Mm,
well. They like the dish, so they will learn it. It's like that.
yeah,
Yes. Okay.
yeah.
So
As
with this,
they visit. Sorry,
yes,
do you
yes, go
want to
on.
say something?
No, no, no. You were
So
trying
I
to tell
think,
me something.
yeah, they visit from place to place, so they get such kind of recipe and like
Yes.
some people also like immigrate. Can I say immigrate or like
Yes,
means
not exactly immigrating. They move from one place to place and they
okay,
settle
yeah,
in different parts of the country. We have got that
yeah,
freedom. Yes.
yeah. So as they move from one place to another, so
Migrate from
they
one place
also
to another. Yeah.
yeah they migrate. So they
Yeah.
also they means they start with their own stall or like they do their business. So from that way also we get uh taste of
You
different
get
cuisines.
exposure to different types of varieties of food, varieties of people. You also get a
Mm,
small idea of what the culture is through the food. Yes, food is like
yeah.
the heart to the culture. Yes.
Yes, yes. It is directly connected with the culture.
It's directly connected. It's directly connected. Yes. Okay, so it was nice talking to you, Rakesh. What I feel is there is flow. You
Mm,
have developed on the flow, the way you're speaking.
mm,
Now you need to focus on pronunciation, the way you pronounce words. When there, it should be more clear. I feel you need to pronounce words with clarity, where
okay.
reading aloud will help you when you
Mm,
get time, whenever you get time, practice reading aloud, and that too very slow. For example, if you have
okay.
this sentence, I am going out, it should be very slow. I am going out. So take each word and pronounce so that your
Okay.
articulation is better. The way you keep your
Mm,
mouth and the way the sound comes out. That is what you have to focus on. And there were
mm,
grammatical errors, but it's okay. Like, I feel the
mm,
flow is getting better. With practice
mm,
you can work on the grammatical part also.
mm. Okay.
Yes, so any questions? We have almost come to the end of the session.
Hey, ma'am, it's nice to talk to you. I have
Yeah,
been longing. I have been waiting for so long to talk to you.
thank you,
But
thank you, thank
today
you.
I got time. I got like a session, like yeah, your session. So I just booked. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. It was nice pleasure talking to you. Bye bye, take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.